Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. Probably the last video with this phone before I switch it. But we got a grain hopper train coming. Let's check it out.
First we have Merry Christmas, then we have snow.
Yeah, we got a Merry Christmas train, and now we got our hopper, and now we got a snow hopper behind the power in this one. No, the Merry Christmas hopper's at the Oil Creek Plastics. This is a snow hopper here at the freight yard. Hope we'll get this whole train here before the storage runs out. There comes the end. Yeah, this is the big grain. Yeah, this is the big one here. There's the end right here. We'll see if we have enough storage to get the rest of this. If not, it's supposed to be the OC&T train, but they're working on the freight yard instead. Yeah, this is all. Yeah, every train so far is in the rain showers today, yes. So far we got grain hoppers, tanker trains, freight, a few short freight trains, and 2 light powers, but that's been it. Probably won't get the engine here, probably not. But we got the engine at least at the top of this video. Still got that 125 hopper. It was behind the power last week, and now it's on the fourth to the last engine on this rear side. It's in slow motion right now. No, there's a stop. Yeah, there's a stop, yes. All right, we're going to get off and we'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you later. Yeah, this is Quality Inn Resorts. Yes, this is where the OC&T freight yard is at. So, but we're going to get off. We'll get back on with the next train. Talk to you later.